Hello everyone, hope you all are good. Myself Namhang Limbu, Namchi Government College, Kambrang, South Sikkim and Physics Department. So my roll number is 19NS0067. I would like to thank our Dr. C.P. Khatiwari for giving me a chance or opportunity to make a video on topic Schrodinger time dependent equation. So without wasting a time, let's move on topic. So topic is Schrodinger time dependent equation. In short form, we can also say that STDE, that is Schrodinger time dependent equation. So basically this topic deals with matter wave or de Broglie wave. Matter waves and de Broglie waves are same. We all know that de Broglie wave is lambda is equals to h by p, and another one is our psi. Psi is a wave function. It's a wave function that represent matter wave or de Broglie wave. Psi represents matter wave or de Broglie wave. And we all know that equation for particles moving freely in positive x direction is, we all know that it's psi is equals to a e to the power minus I omega t minus kx. So this expression, let's give as equation number 1. Okay, this expression will be equation number 1. Equation 1, we take the value of omega and k. Okay, we simply write where omega is equals to 2 pi mu. Okay, omega is equals to 2 pi mu. We can also write the value of mu from E is equals to h mu, where mu is equals to E by h. This from Einstein equation. Replacing the value of mu, here we get omega is equals to 2 pi mu E by h. Okay. Likewise, the value of k is equals to 2 pi by lambda. We all know that lambda is equals to h by p. Let's replace the value of lambda here by h by p. We simply get 2 pi p by h. Okay, now putting the value of omega and k in equation 1, we get omega is equals to e minus I. Both omega and k we have common 2 pi by h. Let's take the common 2 pi by h as a common and left we have E t minus px. Okay, this expression we can also write in another way. So in that case, psi is equals to a e to the power minus I by h dash, or we can also write as h dash or h cot, is your choice. I had wrote h dash. Okay, h dash e t minus p x, where, okay, I will write in this area. So where h dash is equals to, h dash is equals to 2 pi by h. Okay, 2 pi by h, but I have wrote this in open. Okay, open. In that case, we will get psi is equals to a point e to the power minus I. I will repeat once again this expression. So psi is equals to a e to the power minus I by h dash e t minus px. I wrote this h dash in open. Okay, open. Let's give this expression as equation 2. Other solution, we have to differentiate equation 2 twice. Okay, so now differentiating with respect to x, but twice we get del square by psi dx square equals to a I p by h whole square e to the power I h dash e t minus px. So now, in place of a and e to the power minus I h dash et minus px, we can write psi, because from equation 2. So replacing the value of psi, we get I p h whole square psi. So for the solution, del square psi by del x square is equals to, we know that I square is equals to minus 1. So the value of I square is minus 1, or so minus 1 minus p square h square psi. So from here, the value of p square psi will be minus, don't forget to write h dash. Okay, h dash, this h dash, okay, h dash square del square psi by del x square, which is equation number 3. So again we have to differentiate this equation but with respect to t. So again differentiating with respect to t. With respect to t only once. Once we get by del t is equals to del by del t equals to a minus iota by h dash e to the power minus iota by h dash e t minus p x. Okay, so for the solution in place of likewise in place of a n e to the power minus I by h dash e t minus p x we put only psi, so replacing this term as psi. So del t is equals to minus I by h dash e psi. From this the value of e psi will be h dash by minus I del psi by del t. We know that 1 by minus 1 by I will be only I. So e psi will be I h dash del psi by del t, which is equation number 4. Now total energy, we all know that total energy will be kinetic energy plus potential energy. I will write total energy as E, and kinetic energy will be P square by 2m from momentum, okay, plus potential energy as V function of x t, because potential always depend on space and time. So further multiplying by psi on both sides, okay, both sides we get both sides e psi is equals to p square psi by 2m, okay, plus vx t into psi. Now from equation 3 and 4 we get equation 3 and 4. From equation 4, ey, in place of ey, this is equation number 4, we have this value, okay, replacing e psi as I h dash del psi by del t is equals to, now p square psi is equation number 3, So replacing the value, minus h dash square del square by del square x, and we have 2m as it is. Okay, 2m as it is, plus b function of xt psi. So this is a final solution of Schrodinger's time dependent equation, which is STDE.